Our airspaces are becoming much more complex. More volatile weather, autonomous drones, increased flight volumes, and adversaries that are challenging the US and its allies in ways they have not seen before.
Phillip, thank you for being here today. We're seeing national news headlines all the time about near misses on the runway, air traffic chaos. Tell us what's happening behind those headlines.
Yeah, I think it's fair to say we're facing a software crisis in aerospace. You would assume, given how high stakes flight operations and air operations are, that the best software systems are deployed, the most sophisticated systems. Reality could not be more different. You have legacy systems that were deployed decades ago that have never been changed. The problem is when you add additional complexity, when you add additional stress on these systems, they don't scale and they falter. And that's precisely what we've been seeing over the last couple of years. We have civil aviation recover from 0 and go back to 100 in the post-pandemic recovery. And we have adversaries that are stressing the US and its allies in ways they haven't before. And for that reason, we need a new kind of class of software systems that allows the human operators to make faster and more precise decisions.
Nearly 3 million Americans are traveling by air every day. How is this crisis impacting that?
Human operators in this domain make decisions that are only as good as the information that's being displayed to them. If software systems fail, flights won't take off and you won't get to your destination.
With all this increasing complexity, what's the solution?
I think we need to rethink on how software is being built in aerospace. Traditionally, software is built as if it would be hardware. And that's because the companies that built software in aerospace were originally founded to design new airframes, new radar stations, physical components. As we all know, software is very, very different. It's never finished, it's built dynamically, and we need to make sure we get the best software engineers back into aerospace. And in many ways, that's why we started Airspace Intelligence. It's a software-first aerospace company that is building an environment for the best software engineers to ship the most mission-critical systems.